guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a home decor haul. I have not done a video for you guys in quite a while. I have done shop with me's, but they're completely different than sitting in front of the camera and interacting with you all. I have missed you so much and I'm so happy to finally be recording. It has been pretty hectic lately in my personal life, but I'm so glad that I made the time today to film this. Even though I post on social media, I feel like I have been absent from social media, if it makes any sense. I will be doing a life update video pretty soon so I can let you guys know what I've been up to. But anyways, in today's video we are going to be doing a home decor haul. I'm like super excited to show you guys the things that I've been storing away for quite a while. I cannot find my control because it's been that long that I don't remember where I placed it. So I have to get up and turn the button on, turn it off. So it might get a little frustrating here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below also, you guys, what you enjoyed the most about this video. I'm going to stop talking and jump right into it. I hope you guys enjoy. Some towels. And as you all know, I love polka dots. Oh, is it pretty obvious? Like back there I have some polka dot dresses. Ever since I can remember, I have loved polka dots and stripes, patterns just like that, and also cheetah print, zebra print. I do not own anything zebra, but I think it's really pretty too. Maybe I'll get into it. But anyways, I got this from, I believe, Marshall's. The price for it was $5.99. It was a little pricey for the little ones, but I just thought they were so cute. And this is how it looks like from one side, and on the other side it's just like this. I got two of those, and then I also got two of the big ones, and they're super soft. Alright, moving on. To just purchase one and maybe use it for like pizza and stuff for the kids so that it's a little bit more presentable and fun. But honestly, you can just kind of trace for so many things. I wanted to go with this style just because I have a lot of glam stuff, and I also want to incorporate more, you know, simple pieces. I'll show you the next item that I got that is also really pretty with this tray. It's actually 3 items that I kind of set a whole little vibe on here, and it looked really pretty, and that's the reason why I decided to purchase the tray. I actually got 2 of them. The other one is downstairs, and I'm using it for my rocks because my rocks were all over the place. I collect rocks, in case you didn't know. Every time we travel, I mentioned this in the past, but every time I travel with my husband, I like picking rocks from the places that we go to, and they were all scattered on my corner table, like it didn't look right. So I decided to place all of them on top of it. The other one looks more like wood, and it's a little bit more rough. It's not as clean as this, but it looks beautiful. I'll show you guys a clip so that you can see what I'm talking about.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? Where did you...
The next item that I got is this candle holder. It was only $7.99. It's made out of crystal. If you guys remember, I bought something pretty similar at Burlington. I'm trying to see where it's at. I don't know where I placed it. Actually, there's one in front of me, but it's not as shiny as this one. Maybe because it kind of got dusty. I need to wash it. But anyways, the price for this was $7.99, and when I put this right here, I just thought it looked so pretty. I love the sparkle next to the wood, and I decided to purchase this. And I believe this is from Home Goods. And the other tray that I got, it is from Home Goods as well. This is my next item, and I actually purchased 2 of them. And voila, this is it. It's, give me one second. I'm not sure the proper name for this, but I want to say it's kind of like a cake stand. And this is the little bottom part. And you just place it like that. The price for this was $12.99, but you won't believe this though. I was kind of like confused on what happened. I got 2 of them. This I paid $12.99. The other one that it's over there, I paid $6.99. I was not sure why there was such a big difference. It's literally half of the price, and I'm really excited because I got 2. I want to put them in my kitchen. Honestly, I don't know. I just saw it and I thought it was cute, and that's the reason why I got it. I'm thinking of putting a candle inside. We did place some cookies on the other one that I have. I'm gonna pick it up and show you. Here it is, $6.99, as you can see. No clue why. And over here we have the $12.99, and they're literally the same thing. Same thing. I don't know why. This one makes a little bit more noise than this if you shake it up a little bit. But I just think they're so cute, and I'm really excited to be using them somewhere high where Leo cannot reach. A glass can definitely be dangerous if you have little ones, so make sure you place your base and cake stands somewhere high where the little ones cannot reach. Okay, let me show you what I did when I was at the store. So this is pretty much what I did, and I feel like I need a touch of green. I don't think I have green up here, but just something green small, it would be, or maybe medium size, it would be really, really cute. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this style, what I'm trying to do? Are you loving it? Are you hating it? I would love to hear your opinion. But anyways, let's move on with, I think I have 3 more items and that is it. Okay. And by the way, Athena is here in my makeup room today. She was kind of fussy and I wanted to really film this video, so I decided to bring her up here. You want to be in the video, mi amor? She's like, yes, I want to say hi. Where's your bow? You need a bow, mommy. Alright, you guys, this next item, it is something that I've been keeping a secret for quite a while. I'm like keeping it a secret. It is actually for Rosa's room. I wanted to show you guys because when I saw it, I texted my husband right away and I was like, should I buy it? And he said, totally. Anyways, this is a picture frame that is going in Rosa's room. Again, you guys, I am not done buying the things that I need for the girls' room. I'm almost done, almost. But it takes forever, like I said before. Anyways, so I found this right here. It is a unicorn, as you can see. And I do have a project for this. I will be doing a DIY. Maybe I'll do a video depending on how I feel, because sometimes I feel like it kind of takes the fun out of it when I do the videos. I'm not gonna lie. I'd rather just do the project and just show you the after. I don't know, that's just how I've been feeling lately. Maybe because I've been very busy. My mind has been very hectic. Maybe that's the reason why I'm kind of like, I want to do it, but I don't want to do it. We'll see how I feel. If not, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, next item that I got, it is from Claire's. I know, it has nothing to do with this, right? I actually purchased this glitter. And I believe the price for the glitter was... it was kind of pricey, $6.99, or I'm sorry, $5.99, and I got it in the color gold and pink. So you kind of get an idea of what I'm gonna do, right? This item, I have a few more things, but I think I'll leave that for another haul. I don't want to overwhelm you with so much. Okay, so this item I am gonna be using for Thanksgiving, you guys. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. I did purchase, I got rid of my couches, finally. It took forever to get rid of them. I put them on OfferUp, I also put them on Craigslist, and finally they're gone. But I did get new couches and also accent chairs. I will be doing a living room tour for you guys. I am waiting for a mirror that I want. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. And what else? Oh, I did get a dining table. Alright, before I show you this item, I do want to talk a little bit about what happened with the dining chairs that were sent to me by promotions.com. I did the video, as you all know, and it turns out that the company did not want to send me the other 4 chairs. They stopped replying to my emails, and our agreement was to do the video for you guys so everyone saw it. The feedback was great, you guys loved it, and then the company asked me for 2 more videos when in fact we agree on another video, just 1. And I said, well, you know what, you agree in just 1 video and then I will display my whole 6 chairs. Well, it turns out that they stopped talking to me. They completely ignored my my emails, and so I'm assuming they're not going to send me anything anymore. So it's a bummer. I do have to sit down here and call them out because it's kind of unprofessional. It's very unprofessional to say that you're going to do something and then you don't. So it is what it is. And honestly, you guys, lately it has not been that pleasant with companies, and I'd rather not talk about it right now. I will make another video and we'll sit down and chit chat, because I do have to speak up about the things that happen that you guys are not aware of, and I do have to call out people that are doing me wrong. That's what happened, and now what I have to do is purchase 4 more chairs. I've been looking at Amazon and they have the same chairs. I might go with the same chairs, I might do different ones. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I will show you guys as soon as I do purchase them. Okay, last item. I feel like I saved the best for last. This is something that a lot of my Instagram what's it called, home decor girlfriends have been purchasing and displaying it all over their homes, and it is this pillows. Voila! It is from, I want to say, let me see, where did I find them? Marshall's. The price for this is $24.99, and I happened to found the pair, which I'm so excited, and they kind of give me Sea Gallery vibes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Sea Gallery pumpkin. I will be doing a review, you guys. I just ordered them and they're just so pretty. I am super excited because I wanted to see how they looked at first before I ordered them, and I type in Sea Gallery review pumpkin, nothing came up. So I guess I'm gonna be the first one to review the Sea Gallery pumpkin and give you guys all the details. I'm really excited about that. But anyway, so this reminded me of the Sea Gallery pumpkin, and I just think it's beautiful. Inside, I believe it's feathers. I am very happy that I found the pillows. So I was inspired by so many women that I know from Instagram. I know Julie has one, I believe, or 2. I don't remember. Julie Simply Love. My friend Medium has another one. I mean, I'm telling you guys, they're like famous pillows. And they're so pretty. So I'm excited to be displaying them on my window. That's what I'm thinking. On my window, I do have like a little area where people sit down and I put pillows. I use it as like a sitting area when the holidays come around, because we do get kind of tight down there, and I get rid of a couch and I put it in the garage so that we have more space. And now that Athena is in the picture, we have toys and stuff. So I don't know, we'll see how I display them, but I will show you guys as soon as I do. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you enjoy the most about this haul? Are you planning on decorating with sparkly gold or sparkly silver? I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!